when you don't suffer, do fasting, do dry fasting. At the end of it, maybe now when you don't dey see small thing they eat, you can't carry annual for eye paining, can't they use and they focus that person. You know, good. It can never help. And you think that as you are wickeding that person or gossiping that person, you think that someone else is gossiping you. As you are gossiping this person, someone else is gossiping you, whether you like it or not. Focus on yourself. Leave another man's family alone. That's so it be. Have a nice day. I get coconut too. You want chop? Oh. This one are for my enemies.